Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is 30th and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for the gift of life and to see this day and also to be able to do this video now. Okay, so today kind of like have a whole lot to do. I'll be going out, not just me. I'll be going out with my husband today. We didn't really go out during the festive season. We were kind of like indoor. There's so much to do. We're actually supposed to go out with some friends of my husband, but it didn't work out. It wasn't possible, so we're just indoor. But we decided that, okay, you know what, we'll try and see how we can go out today, and that's why I'm trying to get ready for us to go out. I was really not happy because I had already put my mind in this outing, not this particular one. The one was supposed to go out with his friends, so it didn't work out. And I know how I've planned, for this festive period, Christmas time, to just for us to go out, because we've not really had that time to go out and just chill. So today I'm happy. At least we'll go somewhere, somewhere other than the place that we have just around us. Yeah. Okay, now I just quickly want to my hair. This is my hair. The video I did earlier about my hair, my natural hair twisting and all that. So I just quickly hydrate my hair because of the weather. So I just want to quickly hydrate it and just oil my scalp and my hair before I go do other things. Yeah, so I'll be doing that quickly as I just chit chat with you guys. This year has been awesome. It's been awesome. I was just talking to my husband and I was like, God has really been faithful this year. There are a whole lot of things that God did for us this year 2022. And for you not to say thank you, then you are very proud. If you don't say thank you, you are proud. And if you don't say thank you to God, there is no how God is going to, there's no how. He's a merciful God, we know, but there's no how he's going to do more for you. So if you are wise, just start saying thank you now. But God has been faithful to us, especially for the gift of life and for our families. He has kept us, he has protected us. We appreciate him for that. We are really, really grateful. We thank you for every single thing he has done for us. I'll be hydrating my hair. This is a mixture of different herbs which will help my hair. I have aloe vera here and I have fenugreek. This is water. I have aloe vera here, I have fenugreek, and I have cloves in this water, and also my tea tree. Don't worry, I'll do a video showing you guys how it's just simple how I came about this or how I made this. So I'll be hydrating this hair now. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, well hydrated and oiled with aloe vera oil, which I made myself. Don't worry, I'll show you guys how to do it soon. Okay, so I'll be getting right into the bathroom to go get ready to clean up. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for tuning in and for always coming back to watch my videos. I really, really appreciate it. So stay tuned and I'll join you soon. So we're here now. We're at the conservation center. That's our first stop now. We're about to go in and see what's there.
Just forest. It's not. It's on. It's on. It's on hair. It's on hair.
It's so
You will. I know.
So, we're already here. Oh my God, we're here. So the experience has begun. So this is the conservative center. This is Lekki. This is Lekki. It's at Lekki. So we drove all the way down here just to have this experience. Okay, here we go. So I'm watching. So you guys should watch with me because if anything jumps on me, I see these in the movies and I'm here now. Okay, there's some monkeys. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I just saw some monkeys on the floor. You guys. And like monkeys everywhere. Everywhere you turn, you see monkeys. For people that are scared of monkeys, is okay. This is one. He just jumped up now. It's just everywhere. Like everywhere. Like everywhere. On the trees and very interesting. Mama, maybe you take me. So a lot of people are here, and they are taking pictures. Of course, what you expect in a place like this, you would take pictures and just enjoy the moment.
Hurry. So you should get it smile.
No. I would say this is another form of Jurassic Park. What do you think? I think it's another form of Jurassic Park. Or Jurassic World. You dare not walk here in the night with all these bushes around. The tall trees and all that. Not advisable. But I'm having fun. Yeah. Okay, we're approaching the Sky Bridge. Sky Bridge, right? Oh my God, I'm already a bit scared, but let's see how it goes though.
Oh, can we just continue this way? We're not you're not going on the canopy.
Yeah, we're not going on the canopy.
Yeah, you're going this way.
What are we doing? Yeah, am I taking your phone or no? I'm gonna take it.
Look at the other people. Look at how. What do you want to do? Do you want to come with us or do you can go?
Yeah, because
Okay, so we're waiting to go on the Sky Bridge. I think there's a queue here, so we're waiting for our turn. I guess there's a certain number of people that can go up there or that can be on the Sky Bridge. So we're seated and we're waiting for our turn.
out of context.
I had to. 14 minutes. Let's see.
Huh? Okay, quickly before I go forward. So we are on the canopy walkway now. And it's a bit scary, really. It's really scary. Oh my God. Oh my. We just went through like the second stage now, and that was more scary, like scary. And we're going through the third stage now, and that's higher than the one we just did now. So, okay, let me show you how many meters it is. This is 49 feet. It's going higher. But we'll try. This is what I really don't like to, but I'll do it. Oh my God. See? Man, and it's going higher again. Now we are going to the third tower, and this is 3 feet.
Wow, we are here.
Yeah, you'll be in front too.
Give me a high five for that.
So let me. So my husband takes the lead now.
Yeah, video me.
All right.
Okay, no, no, no,
Oh my God, I'm here. Here, this is the last step now. I think this is going down. This is okay. Wish making tower. but this is still 73 feet, but going downwards. So he says, wish making tower. I don't know the wish I'm gonna make, but this this last one was it was scary. It was scary because the pathway was just shaky, you know. It was shaky, but I'm going to take the last one now. Courage. Courage, yeah. Oh my god, so see how high, it's so high. It's so okay. I have some people already stuck. They are stuck on the passage, so okay. Should I? I'm here up high in the sky. My husband tricked me. He knew about this and he never told me. But I made it. Alright, yay. Fourth stage almost over. Yeah. So I am done climbing that canopy canopy bridge. What an experience. Like I really enjoyed it, but it was scary. I've never gone that far being up on the sky. I have, aside being in a plane though, but just walking on that height, I have never. But it was quite an experience. My husband told me that he knew about it, but he didn't tell me because he knew I might probably turn it down. Because like things he has in mind that he wants to do, and I told him, I said, see, not me and you, I can't do that. There are things I can do for fun, there are some things I wouldn't try. And he tricked me, but it was fun though. It's an experience and I'm so excited. Oh, monkey. Hi, monkey. Can see everywhere. It's just cool. It's just another feel of Jurassic World. I've said that like how many times? But it was okay. It was okay. And still, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and please subscribe, like my video, and please drop a comment. This is a place that is worth coming to. It's not that expensive. It's the price to get in here is very fair, very fair. So it's it will be an awesome experience for you and family, friends. So just come check it out and see what's up. Yeah, we're actually loving it here though. You know, a place like this, you can just walk through the walkway and you can just be, you know, I don't remember what's that word. You just be meditating. Oh gosh, Raeheela, why? And you just be meditating and cool environment, be able to think well, meditate, and just even say a prayer. So at some point we're supposed to make a wish. They said it's a wish, making a wish walkway. Well, I didn't even remember making any wish because, you know, when like they say your throat or in your mouth, or how do they say it? So I couldn't make any wish. So we are at another spot. I think here is where Okay, they sell some food, and you have like playground. Oh, okay. So I just heard someone saying palm wine. I know that. So let's just check and see what it's all about. The one of 1.5. How do you package it? One sausage and chicken. We'll take the one of 1.5. Okay. Let's have 2 shawarmas.
There's 1.5.
Okay, the one of 1.7 is how do you pack that one?
Two sausage. And there's not.
The one of 1.5 is okay. Okay, give us the one of 1.5. So that as you make it extra cream and extra spice. No, it's not be that kind of spice where you come make away. You know we'll come feature from again though. So just do it extra spice though. I play chess. I'm not very good at it, but I want to try. What do you call this? Do you get it? I'll try tomorrow. So I finally got my shawarma. Quite tasty though. I can see fresh coconut and coconut that's just plucked from the tree down. Just break it and you don't need to take off the husk. You just put a hole there with a straw and you start drinking. Quite nice and interesting, but I don't know. Do I want it? I don't know. So we are done. We are done from our walk at the conservation center, so we are about to head out now. You can see the way I'm sweating. The walk itself is not it's out of this world. Seriously, it's so long. And you know what happened to me? I bought suya that okay, when I get to the car, you know, we'll eat it. And I bought orange pulp. Yeah, orange poppy, Family Life poppy. Guess what? As I was walking down, you know, it's like the bush is like forest with trees and all that, monkeys everywhere. Do you know, I was almost attacked by monkeys. Seriously, it was my husband that had to like drive them, and I was wondering why. He said it was because they saw me with a black nylon and that they can smell food. Because I can remember that there were signs that okay, don't take food, don't bring food in, or water, whatever they asked us to drop. Like, no, we bought it now, we can't drop it. That was actually the reason why they don't want people to hold food or carry food while passing there, because of those monkeys. They will attack you and they will want to take the food from you. Seriously, I was scared, but thank God my husband was there, and I had to put the nylon of suya inside my bag. At some point, we had to even hide the bottle of poppy. What an experience. So when you're coming here, do not take food in, or else you'll be attacked by those monkeys, big or small. Okay? All right.